Hours and we're more back with some animals. Earlier I just found this little cardinal. It's a red-headed cardinal, a little female. That's Victor.
It's a brown-headed cardinal. And there's more than guys. Alex.
Really? No, wait.
That's a girl. Wait a minute. Brown-headed cardinals are females. That's a girl.
Put it on the ground so we can see it.
Oh wait. Ready? Call the animal patrol.
Let's see it fly.
Because
It's gonna fly.
who cares about you talking, Tom? I hate you.
Here. Just put it on the ground so that way we can see it. Put it on the ground. It says I found it first. Please.
Try to teach her how to fly.
Oh.
Teach her how to fly.
Here. No.
I got it. Wait, there's a best way to do this.
Look at it. So cute. Smile for the camera, little birdie. You're famous.
No. Oh, come on.
Hey, Peter.
Stay there, okay? Flies. I just pranked Victor.
Yeah. Hey, really?
Like balls.
Yeah. That's Alex Alvarez, so subscribe to his channel and blah, blah, blah. There's... Come on.
Don't grab him like that.
Dude.
Guys, there's something wrong with this feet.
Let me see. See that?
Oh.
What happened?
It's crooked.
Let me see.
No, it's chopped off. His foot is like.
I knew. It's broken.
It's chopped
Yeah,
off.
right when I first found out about this bird, its beak, or something, not his beak, its foot and everything is like all broken. So we're just trying to take care of it. And it's mother and father all the way up there. So
Guys,
yeah.
guess.
Okay. Thank you. And there's the little birdie.
Guys.
Oh.
Guys, guess what? We were playing this. No, let's just go. We were playing this ghost game.
Okay, we already know about that. Yeah. It's not about you. Yes.
We don't want to play this. Adios, amigos.
What's folded?
The foot. It's like right over here.
Let's go.
Oh, great. Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah, so I'll make some more videos on the way home or somewhere else, and I'll see you dudes next time.